Quick model model a taco. All right, challenge accepted. I will model a taco, and then I will try and find a real life one as fast as I can. All right, here we go. Here we go. One time. Do like that. Oh, that can go there. Set those equal. Yeah, 0.375. Who? Yeah, sure. I don't care. 3. Okay. I'm gonna do it for with surfaces because I don't know. Yeah, let's do that, and then going to the right plane. Let's get. Uh-oh, I'm stalling too much. Oh no, I snapped it to the wrong. Well, that's actually kind of good. Just kidding. I want it. I want it. 2.75. Surfaces trim. I want to keep that. Thicken. Shoot. I need to do the appearance. Was it going to be just going to be a taco shell? No filling. Fabric, maybe? Oh, this is going to look so... it looks so disgusting. Alright, time. Taco shell percent. SolidWorks. Speedrun world record.